To log into Business Central, paste the link you received from your IT department or partner. After entering your credentials, you'll be directed to the Business Central landing page. This initial page is called the Role Center. Here you can use all the functions related to your specific role within the company. The Role Center view can be customized by each user based on their responsibilities and roles in the organization. You can personalize your Role Center to suit your preferences. At the top of the page is the application bar. From here, you can switch between Microsoft applications. You can also change the environment or company you are working in. Next to the environment, you'll see the magnifying glass icon. This is called Tell Me. Tell Me lets you search for any function, documents, or features in Business Central. You don't need to enter the full name. Shortcuts or partial terms will work. The system will return all relevant pages containing your search term. Search results are categorized, for example, by pages, tasks, reports, or analysts. You can even search for data across the company. Next to Tell Me is the notifications icon. This shows all system notifications and messages for your user. Next is the settings icon. Here you can change your role, switch companies, set work date, change language, and regional settings. You can also toggle teaching tips and legacy action bar. Next to the setting icon is the it links to Microsoft Learn page and shows your Business Central version. The last icon to the right is the account manager icon. This is where you can sign out from the system. Below the application bar is the navigation menu. Use it to access any area of the system or specific pages. One line below is the navigation bar. It provides shortcuts to frequently used functions. If you bookmark items and Tell Me, they will appear here. Below this is the headline section, showing key role-based information. Next is the action area. Here you can directly launch a function. As an example, you can create a new document. Below is the activity section. This includes queues and filters, document lists that are tailored to your specific role. Business Central supports multiple views, such as a list view for customers. When you open the customer list, you can see examples of the teaching tips. Customers appear in tile view by default. You can change the view using the button in the top right corner. Even in this view, the main and application menus are still visible. Below the application menu is the action bar. It includes all actions relevant to the customer. You can toggle the fact box off or on. Fact box displays key customer information. You can search, for example, by company name, or you can filter the data. To open to open a filter pane, click on the filter icon, or you can click the filter pane from the All menu. Use the filter field to narrow results, for example, by name. To search for a name, be sure to use asterisks before and after the search string. You can add more filters such as contact name to search for that specific contact name. Filters can also include things like dates, currency, dimensions, again, whatever it might be. To reset filters, simply click Reset. To save filters, select Frequently Used Criterias and click Save. Close the filter panel, then you can select your Save filter from the list. In Business Central, you can export data to Excel or edit it directly in Excel. From the list, you can also open a card view of the specific record. Card pages also show facts boxes and customer details. The pages are organized with tabs. You can open or close to manage visible information. Fields can be shown or hidden based on your needs. Pages can be personalized by the user. Go to the settings and select personalization. Personalize, excuse me. You can hide unnecessary fields or move them to the show list area. To always display a field, mark it as show always. To add missing fields, click the plus field. Then select the desired field from the list on the right. Once finished, save your changes. You can also add information to your role center using Tell Me. Search for a feature like General Ledger and then click Bookmark. The feature now appears on your role center. You don't need to save changes in Business Central because it is saved automatically. To open a page in a new window, use the option in the top right corner. To return to Role Center, click the company name. Business Central allows you to build reports and analyze data. Build pages offer analyst mode. Use the panel to the right to select data for your report. Drag fields to columns and rows to group and summarize data. For example, group data by GL account type. You can see now that my data is grouped by GL. You can also apply filters such as posting dates to narrow results. Filter by month or select dates using the calendar. In this case, I'll select January, but as you can see, there's nothing there. So I can select further back in the calendar. From here, you can filter really by all possibilities. For example, we can filter by document type by selecting the type of document from the list. We can also search for the information we're looking for, again, whatever that might be. For example, we can enter dimensions and apply that to the filter. We can switch to pivot mode for more flexible reporting. Save the analyst view for future use. We can also rename same views. For example, I'd like to rename this view as GL accounts. Note that certain characters like forward slash, are not going to be allowed in the report name. With my analyst view saved, I can open up Excel. To close analyst view, click the same button I used to open it. Then I can return to the role center.